Hi guys, it's Jill. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you are new. Today's video, I am so incredibly excited to share with you guys. It is from Ulike and it is a at-home hair removal, you guys. I don't even think you can begin to understand my struggle when it comes to hair. From being in middle school with a full-on, full-grown mustache that I had to use Nair to, oh my gosh, Nair used to break me out so bad. It was horrific. I hated it. To like in the morning shaving and then by 2 hours later I have stubble. Like my hair struggle has been, it's been intense. I have over the years thought about getting laser hair removal professionally done. I hear about the pain, I hear about the costs, and I also hear that it is not guaranteed that the results are going to work and be permanent. And to me, that's just a big turnoff. So I want to say a huge thank you to Ulike for sponsoring today's video and allowing people like me and women all around the world who have issues with facial hair and like dark, overgrown, thick, coarse hair that waxing is just not an option, or maybe it has been, but you rash and it irritates you. This is not going to do that. I absolutely love this hair removal device. The thing I love about it, obviously, is that it's at home. You can do this by yourself in the comfort of your own home. It does not hurt, and your results, as long as you are consistent with them, are perfect. I love the results that this device has given me so far. This is going to be linked down below in the description box. From now until February 15th, if you purchase this, you can get a free skin moisturizer, which is a $60 value. As long as you purchase any device from Ulike, you will get that free skincare item. So link is down below. You also are going to get $80 off a device. So $80 plus a free $60 skincare item. You cannot beat that. The code that's going to save you $80 off your device and also get you that free moisturizer is right here on the screen. It's also going to be listed down below in the description box, along with links for you guys to purchase, but it is Drew-like. So make sure you use that coupon code to save you some coin. I'm gonna do a little bit of an unboxing. I had to put everything in the box to show you how it comes so beautifully packaged. But here is their moisturizing body lotion right here. And then we also have a travel-sized razor, but obviously you need to shave your legs before you use this device. So this is why it's included. And then you also have, whenever you do hair removal, you have to put on glasses. So you have your protection. And then here is our device. I absolutely love the fact that it comes in this little compact, very aesthetically pleasing looking box, and it fits perfectly. So right here is your device, and here is the little, all of the little accompanying things that you need to power on your device, and it all just fits in there super nicely. You can also fit these in there if you want. You can probably fit your lotion in there, and it's just, put it underneath your bathroom sink and it's not taking up a whole ton of space. So I absolutely love that. So some specifications before I get to this. 90% of hair reduction in just 4 weeks, which is absolutely insane when you think about the fact that sometimes I have to shave my underarms and my legs twice in one day. You get visible results in just 2 weeks. As long as you are consistent with this and you are using it the way that they tell you to use it on the days and the time frame, you will get results from this. It also has a sapphire ice cooling that is for your skin protection. So I talked about laser hair removal. I also talked about pain because I hear it's very painful. This is not going to be painful because it has that sapphire ice cooling. So it's cooling your skin as it's doing the thing and laser hair removaling your hair. So this helps protect your skin and it is not painful, which I absolutely love. This is also FDA backed, and it's backed by over 30 global certifications, guaranteeing an unrivaled hair removal experience from start to finish. And the other beautiful thing about this is you can literally use this everywhere on your body. There is no inch of your body that you cannot use this on. So peach fuzz, you can put it on your face for peach fuzz. You can put it right here for your mustache, underneath your arms, on your legs, all the way up your legs, up bikini line, anywhere this goes, and it removes your hair. Another thing I love about this, like I said, you can do it in the privacy of your own home, but you can literally do this while you're watching TV. You can do this while you're reading a book. I mean, if you don't have to have a camera on for your Zoom meetings, you can do this while you're in a Zoom meeting. You can do this anywhere in the comfort of your own home at any time. Do it while you're listening to music. Like, this does not have to feel like a chore while you're doing it. This has long-lasting results. You get smooth skin that lasts. Again, you can use it all over your body. You have hair density reduction, hair length reduction, and hair count reduction. It is pain-free and it is at-home convenience. You also are going to get booklets to tell you how to use this, how often to use it, and when you should expect to see results. So let's go ahead and stop yapping and let's go ahead and show you how I do this and use this product. So first I want to show you, I really need to lotion my legs, but I have not shaved in weeks. And my hair, this is so not normal for me. I mean, I am usually a hairy beast. I'm not even kidding you. I shave in the morning and 2 hours later I have stubble. So this is incredible, incredible results. What you want to do first is go ahead and take your little razor and you're going to go ahead and I'm going to go take this in the bathroom because I really need some water because my legs are so dry. But you just want to go ahead and make sure you get all of the hair that is on your legs or whatever area it is that you're going to use this on. Go ahead. You can use this on your feet and your toes. Oh my gosh, when I tell you I'm a hairy beast, I am a hairy beast. I have hair everywhere, okay? Everywhere. So, yeah, I don't know what I was saying, but you can use this on your toes and your feet as well. So we're gonna go ahead and shave all of that, and then we're gonna get started on using this product. Okay, so we got our cool glasses on. Here's your power button right here, okay? And that is also your little control for the intensity of the mode. That is light mode right there. You see you just have one. You press it again, you're gonna get body mode. So that's the one we're gonna use. And then you press it the third time and that is power mode. So now in the comfort of my own home, I am about to laser removal my hair. All you have to do the body is long press it and you just glide it up your skin like so. And as long as it's in contact with your skin, it's gonna go and do its thing. It is literally that easy. Let me show you how to do the underarms. And it does not hurt at all. Like, not at all. You feel a little bit of the warmth, but since this has the sapphire cooling, you feel more of the cooling than you do the warmth. It actually feels kind of good and kind of relaxing. So I'm gonna go ahead and turn it on. And we're just gonna start up here. And just like that, like you literally just, and if you don't want to do the glide and you want to keep pressing the button, you totally can. Like press, move, press, move, press, move, press, however it is that is easiest for you. But this device is something that everybody and their mother needs. So it's a great Valentine's Day present for your loved one, yourself, whoever. This is a must. Everybody needs this in their life. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish up here and then I'm gonna put on some lotion because these legs, I need some lotion on these legs. And there we go. Now they're nice and lotioned and looking better. And that was my treatment for the day. So that is my experience with Ulike Hair Removal at Home IPL device. This right here for the how often you do it. For the first 4 weeks, they suggest that you do this 3 times a week. And from week 5 on, they suggest you do it twice a week depending on your hair growth. Obviously, the 3rd level that I showed you guys is the most intense, but either way, none of these levels to me hurt. So I just highly recommend this, especially if you have any story like me where it's just embarrassing to have so much body hair and it being so dark and thick and coarse. My mustache, you can literally use this anywhere and everywhere. So definitely a huge confidence booster, but also a huge time saver because you do not have to shave. And I cannot tell you how amazing it is to say you do not have to shave as often as you used to, and you still have soft, nice skin with no stubble. I love that. So huge thank you to Ulike for sponsoring today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. This is going to be linked down below in the description box. Again, don't forget to use coupon code DrewLike for $80 off any device, and then you're also, between now and February 15th, you will get a free body lotion worth $60. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you give it a thumbs up. I love you guys. Have an amazing day, and I will see you in the next one. Bye guys.